what you come to do. But we come to pray. Let's take him to church, choir. Y'all ready?
Come on, come on, come on.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You don't wanna pray, watch me pray. You don't wanna pray, watch me pray. You don't wanna pray, watch me pray. You don't wanna pray, watch me pray.
I don't know what you come to do. Let me hear you say.
I don't know what you come to do.
Hey, I don't know what you come to do. Let me hear you say.
I don't know what you come to do.
Say, but I know what I come to do. Let me hear you say.
But I know what I come to do.
Sing it again now, but I know what I come to do. Let me hear you say.
I know what I come to do.
Oh, I come to clap my hands. I come to stomp my feet. I come to give him praise. I got the victory. Oh, oh.
I want to hear my sopranos sing. Sopranos, y'all ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
You don't wanna pray, watch me pray. You don't wanna pray, watch me pray. You don't wanna pray, watch me pray. You don't wanna pray, watch me pray.
Alto.
You don't wanna pray, watch me pray. You don't wanna pray, watch me pray. You don't wanna pray, watch me pray. You don't wanna pray, watch me pray.
Tenors.
You don't wanna pray, watch me pray. You don't wanna pray, watch me pray. You don't wanna pray, watch me pray. You don't wanna pray, watch me
Let's
pray.
change.
You don't know, like I know, what the Lord has done for me. If you knew what I've been through, you'd stand up and praise Him too.
You don't know,
You don't know,
like I
like I know,
know, what the Lord
what the Lord
has done for me.
has done for me.
If you knew what I've been through,
What I've been through,
you would just stand up,
stand up and
praise him too.
praise Him too.
You don't wanna praise,
You don't wanna pray,
watch me praise.
watch me pray.
If you don't wanna
You
praise,
don't wanna pray,
watch me praise.
watch me pray.
If you don't wanna dance, watch me dance, y'all. If you don't wanna dance, watch me dance. Watch me, 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 watch me. Clap those hands, everybody. Hey, hey.
Wow, wow. Now, let me tell you, if I got goosebump number 1 earlier, you gave me number 2, number 3, number 10. Look here, that raised the roof. It was amazing. Where did you come from? Sandra, oh my goodness, wonderful work. I know some people still in a spirit and up and down in them house now. I mean, it was true. The sound was real, full, tone, precious, modulation great, banner work. It was just off the hook. You're going on like it's an international competition here. Wonderful work, Old Harbour High School.
Earlier in the competition, I called you the generals. And people kind of wondered why I did that. Because you are, in fact, the generals of this competition. Sometimes I wonder if you are in the same competition. That was a mind-blowing performance. I have sat here for 14 years, and the only choir to have ever blown my mind was Arden. No, you just took it to another level. I have a question for you. Where do you come from?
What? Old Harbour, I was checking because I wasn't sure where I was. I wasn't sure. I was like, where's the sign for all together sing? I don't feel like this. I'm in the same place. You guys are, you raise the roof, you lower the floor, and you push out the walls. It was awesome. Really, really nice.